Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore scheduled jobs using Cron for AI pipelines, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore scheduled jobs using Cron for AI pipelines, begin by accessing your server via SSH. Log in with your credentials, ensuring you have the necessary permissions. Next, identify the job you want to restore. You can do this by checking the existing Cron jobs with the command cron tab L. Review the list to locate your scheduled job. If your job is missing, you may need to recreate it from backup. Open your backup file where you have saved your original Cron jobs. Use a text editor of your choice, such as Nano or Vim, to open this file. Examine the syntax of each job carefully. Make sure to note the timing format, command, and path. If everything looks correct, copy the lines you need to restore. Return to your terminal and enter the command cron tab E to edit the current Cron jobs. Paste the copied lines into the Cron editor. Ensure there are no syntax errors by checking for any stray characters or incorrect formatting. Save and exit the editor, typically by pressing Ctrl+X and confirming with Y. After saving, verify that the jobs have been restored by running cron tab L again. Check the specific logs for your AI pipeline to confirm that jobs are executing as expected. Troubleshoot any issues by reviewing error messages or log files generated by your jobs. Once everything is functioning properly, document the process for future reference. This will help streamline the restoration of scheduled jobs in the future. Now you have successfully restored scheduled jobs using Cron for your AI pipelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.